hoitengman chini mura bari obo kaisa English medium school chenjak mani hingke tini norok no ang share khainai chini mura bari obo kaisa English medium school chenjak mani no teye hingke tini chung blog videos rok nailai awoi tini school chenjak mani no teye norok bai share khainani thangai dong video no full and chimi paithak jora joyawoi nai dongli hingke o school ni mungkha malabar catholic school Saint Sebastian English medium post office Durganagar PS Bojungnagar Ranir Bazar West Tripura hingke busuk class joratei narok jaknai hingke nursery ni simi class 5 joratei norok ni terai no o jagao rengserengdei mano hingke dakti no phaidi norok oro admission rok naharna muchung tongkha hingke o jagao father sister rok bo tongo tei teachers rok bo belai no kaham kaham phorongmung rwoi tongo o jagani father sister rok ungkha Kerala ni Silo Malabar Catholic Church ni hoite chini kamio Malabar Catholic School hanai borok songsakha o jagao taklai bisio hostel ni shep sabroi minor phano phainai bisirogo hostel ni shep sab rejaknai hanai chung khanakha hingke taler di norok ni cherai no admission dok thaina muchung tongkha hangke norok o jaga dakti no phai admission khlai khai mano o video share khainai ungkha Murabari Catholic Church ni hoite chini bukha kaham mayagana daboyar botini ano o video share khaima bagai daboyar no belai belai khino hambai te nai tongnai ani viewers rong no bo belai belai khe hambai tamone hingkhe norok ano asake support khai tongma bagai sarbrum brum no ano logirei tongma bagai norok jotono no belai belai khino bukha bai hambai
the basic principle of social commitment. That means, if something happens to one of your brother or sister, you have to feel that it happens to me personally.
Sini kami wa tabu geri rok dok hanai sing mawan sunai tam hingke borok busuk dok na abuno sing mawan sunai ajora wa bobomo hai tong kai sing abuno wan sugu ya priselai ke sini tebo kuchugo kanai.
We call the quality education. The Malabar school intends to give the quality education.
Malabar school kungai sini kami wa jeng rena bagai se borok hayo quality rena bagai se hayo borok kuno ni bagai thaya profit ni bagai thaya.
I am here to deliver the vote of thanks on behalf of Malabar Catholic School. I would like to shower my gratitude to the Almighty God for providing us wonderful opportunities and successful program. I special thanks to our chief guest, Bishop Marfoli, who honored this function with his inspirational thoughts and for sharing your valuable time with us. I thanks to Provincial Sister Teresa Jose and Vice Provincial Sister Odia Grace for spending time with us and to make your important speech. I would like to thank our Executive Director for taking responsibility for giving me us such a beautiful school. Sincerely, thanks to our teaching staff, non-teaching staff, parents, my dear students for their strong support. Thank you very much to everyone. Happy nice day.
Okay.